Assalamu alaikum and namaste all of you. This is Amji, Institute of Plant Sciences, University of St. Jamshoro. Today our discussion topic is cloning vector and its types. Firstly, we are heartily thankful to Sir Dr. Aziz Ahmed Ujjan who gave us a golden chance. What is cloning vector? Cloning vector क्या है? There are two types of vectors, cloning vector and expression vector. Today our main focus on cloning vector. What is a cloning vector? Types of cloning vector, properties, factors, significance, advantages, disadvantages of the cloning vectors. What is a cloning vectors? Vector in a molecular biology, in a molecular cloning, a vector is a DNA molecule used as a vehicle to artificial carry foreign genetic material into another cell. It means the vehicle with which we insert our target gene into the host during the cloning is known as vector. There are following types of vector: plasmid vector, plasmid vector, Lambda pages, and shuttle vector, virus vector, and so on. Vector role in recombinant DNA technology. I hope we are familiar about the recombinant DNA technology. This is a role in a recombinant technology of the vector. Vector role in a recombinant DNA technology. Cloning vector can be plasmid, bacteriophage, virus, or even small artificial chromosomes. Most vectors contain sequences that allow them to be replicated autonomously within a completable host cell, whereas a minority carry sequences that facilitate integration into the host genome. Recombinant DNA technology change the phenotype of an organism in host with the help of genetically transferred vector. It means recombinant technology जो होती है वो चेंज हो जाती है, इसकी phenotypical चेंज हो जाती है of the host with the help of genetically transferred vector. Vector जब उसमें ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, it means जब vector उसकी DNA recombinant DNA technology में vector जब ट्रांसफर किया जाता है तब वहाँ उसकी जो genetically और phenotypically ये जो है वो उसकी जो डायग्राम वगैरह वो चेंज हो जाती है. It means उसमें क्लोनिंग वगैरह आ जाती है. The cloning vector is inserted into the genome of organisms. The process involves the insertion of the desirable foreign DNA with the gene of interest into the genome of the host. It means when we are cloned any gene, any DNA, any cell like the bacterial cell or another cell or organisms we clone, we help by the vectors. It means vector we use vector as a vehicle to help in clone DNA, gene or cell. Types of vectors. There are following types, but most important 5 types are there: plasmid vector, bacteriophage vector, virus vector, shuttle vector, used artificial chromosomes as a vector. Today our main focus on the plasmid vector. What is a plasmid vector? Their types, their life cycle, their factors, their advantages. More introduction of the plasmid. Plasmid are extra chromosomal self-replicating double-stranded circular double-stranded structure DNA molecule present in the bacterial cell. These are the bacterial cell. Plasmid is circular, double-stranded like that, double-stranded DNA like that, circular double-stranded DNA. There are circular green type plasmid are present here. There are chromosomes, bacterial chromosomes in a bacterial cell within plasmid. Copy number, high copy number and लो कॉपी नंबर. जो प्लास्मिड जो होता है वो क्या बनाता है? हाई कॉपी नंबर्स भी बनाता है और समटाइम्स लो कॉपी नंबर्स. स्मॉल साइज का होता है, इसकी जो साइज होती है वो स्मॉल होती है क्योंकि जब वेक्टर यूज होता है प्लास्मिड वेक्टर इन लोअर ऑर्गेनिजम्स बिकॉज देयर साइज आर स्मॉल. नंबर ऑफ जीन इज लिमिटेड बिकॉज देयर साइज इज स्मॉल. देयर नंबर ऑफ जीन्स आर लिमिटेड, नॉट मोर देन. एपिसोम्स. Plasmid is also called the episome. Episomes means they make their copies by on their own. It means they make gene clone by on power. They replicate on by on. It means that it can replicate on by on. Replicate by its power. It means जिस बैक्टीरिया के पास जो होगा प्लाज्मिक वेक्टर जो मौजूद होगा, प्लाज्मिड मौजूद होगा, वो क्या करेगा, वो जब रिप्लिकेट करेगा उसकी अपनी ताकत होगी. वो ताकत क्या है, वो है प्लाज्मिड. एक बैक्टीरियल सेल है उसके पास प्लाज्मिड नहीं है, अगर दूसरा बैक्टीरियल सेल है उसके पास प्लाज्मिड है, तो जो ये इसके पास जो प्लाज्मिड है एपिसोम्स है वो क्या है, वो उसका जो प्रोसेस होता है उसका जो फंक्शन है वो क्योंकि वो रिप्लिकेट बाय पावर. They have a power. Plasmid means it replicated power. Important parts and their properties. There are important part of the plasmid vector and their properties. They are circular. Plasmid are circular, like that. These are the figure of the plasmid vector. Plasmid vector are circular. They have a following parts. For important parts: origin of the replication, antibiotic resistance of the gene, selectable marker SIM, promoter, inserted gene are called restriction sites. Important part and their properties. Origin of the replication. Origin of the replication, it means they have origin of the replication to begin replication. It means to have these parts start the replication. Replication are started here, like here. When the replication is started here, the process is called origin of the replication. It means the position is called the origin of the replication. Antibiotic resistant genes. Antibiotic resistant genes means resistant to foreign harmful antibodies. It means when they have antibiotic resistant genes, it means they have power to resistance to harmful foreign antibodies. To mean attack the foreign, to means to face the foreign जो एंटीबायोटिक होते हैं, एंटीबॉडीज होते हैं हार्मफुल, उन्हें वो क्या करवाता है, उन्हें जो बचाता है. मीन्स टू फेस करता है उनसे. सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर टू इंट्रोड्यूस फॉरेन डीएनए. इसके बाद जो सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर होता है, इट मीन्स सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर एसएम टू इंट्रोड्यूस फॉरेन डीएनए. जो फॉरेन डीएनए होता है, इट मीन्स प्लाज्मिड हैव अ फॉरेन डीएनए, तो इंट्रोड्यूस जो करवाता है वो पार्ट होता है सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर. इट मीन्स एसएम. इंसर्टेड जीन मीन्स रिस्ट्रिक्शन साइट्स. हियर इंसर्टेड जीन प्रोमोटर वी डिस्कस इन लास्ट. इंसर्टेड जीन जो होता है वो इंसर्टेड जीन, इट मीन्स फॉरेन डीएनए और फॉरेन जीन और फॉरेन सेल आर इंसर्टेड हियर बिकॉज restriction sites are present here. Restriction site, it means restriction enzymes are perform their work in these sites. They cut off these sites by endonuclease enzymes, endonuclease enzyme to help in the cut of the plasmids or gene or DNA. It means foreign DNA and gene inserted here. These sites are those sites where foreign DNA or foreign gene are inserted here. Important parts of their properties: origin of the replication, antibiotic resistance gene, selective marker, inserted gene, restriction sites. Plasmid vector cycle. Plasmid vector, it means cloning into a plasmid. How cloning in a plasmid into a plasmid? These are the bacterial cell. When they cloned, when the plasmid vector cycle are started, because firstly what are the process, the restriction enzymes are worked. Restriction enzymes cut the side, inserted genes are here. We insert our foreign or target DNA or gene inserted here. Their sticky ends are present. It means sticky ends are produced by the restriction enzymes. There are two types of ends: sticky ends and blunt ends. There are sticky ends. Their all function or all cycle are presented or performed in a bacterial cell, like that pink and blue color are foreign DNA are attached in a bacterial cell. These cycles are not on by on, these cycle by the help of the vector, because vector is a vehicle we use to inserted target DNA into the bacterial cell. Why we choose a bacterial cell? Because bacterial cell are the very small organisms. Bacteria are the very small organisms. Plasmid are the very small because used in the small organisms and have a genes are limited. Small size plasmid are small size because they are used in a bacterial cell. These are bacterial cell. Plasmid are here. When we inserted our foreign DNA to clone, bacterial chromosomes are here. When the cloning is started, with cloning it means one bacterial cell divided into 2, then 2 divided into 3, then 3 divided into 6. The whole process in a bacterial lab, it means the whole process in a genetic laboratory or molecular laboratory. The plasmid means created in a lab are known as a construct or vector. प्लास्मिड का नाम इसलिए दिया गया है क्योंकि ये जो है वो सारा प्रोसेस जब लैब में होता है, क्रिएटेड इन ए लैब आर नोन एज ए कंस्ट्रक्ट और वेक्टर. वेक्टर को दूसरा क्या नाम देते हैं? कंस्ट्रक्ट्स. Characteristics of the plasmid vector. There are following characteristics are main important characteristics of the plasmid vector are self-replicating. We are firstly discussing because plasmid have a self-replicating power, because they have a plasmid to replicate on their own. They have own power to replicate. They have a self-replicating with episomes. They have inheritance. Inheritance means after division both cells have a plasmid called plasmid segregation. Because when the division is started, one bacterial cell divided into 2, both have plasmids. These are plasmids, these are plasmid. Circular structure plasmid, their chromosomes are present here. Okay? It means inheritance power इसके पास इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जब ये डिवीजन करेगा बोथ में, ठीक है, दो में जब ये डिवीजन होगी तो इसके पास भी प्लास्मिड होगा, इसके पास भी प्लास्मिड होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि दो डिवीजन के बाद एक के पास प्लास्मिड होगा दूसरे के पास नहीं होगा. नो, प्लास्मिड वेक्टर आर हैव ए पावर टू इनहेरिटेंस. कॉपी नंबर रेगुलेशन. कॉपी नंबर जो रेगुलेशन होता है, मेन इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी जो इसकी होती है, सेम टाइप कॉपीज ऑफ प्लास्मिड रेगुलेशन इन ए सेम बैक्टीरियल सेल. इट मीन्स when bacterial cell we count the number of the plasmid are here. Now both it means one or more than plasmid in the one bacterial cell. How many types of the plasmid, how same or different, we by help of the copy number regulation. It means plasmid have a copy number regulation. It means it have a 2 or 3 plasmids. It have a 2 or 3 plasmids. It means same size or same shape or same numbers. Episomes, they can replicate on their own. We are firstly discuss about the episomes. Episomes means self-replicating. Self-replicating power have a plasmid vector. Plasmid vector जो होता है उसके पास self-replicating power होता है. It means they are also called the episomes. They can replicate on their own. Advantages and disadvantages of the vector. There are following advantages or disadvantages. They are most important. Good things, which means advantages about the plasmid vector. Various biological products, means medicines, are produced by the cloning procedure of putting medicine gene into the plasmid vector. Insulin is a good example of the plasmid vector. It means insulin is a good example of the plasmid vector. Good about the plasmid vector. Bad thing about the plasmid vector, it means disadvantages of the plasmid vector are cannot accept large fragments. क्योंकि जो प्लास्मिड वेक्टर होता है, हम पहले भी बता चुके हैं कि प्लास्मिड वेक्टर जो होता है वो क्या होता है, स्मॉल साइज का होता है. इसके पास जो नंबर ऑफ जीन जो लिमिटेड होते हैं, उसकी जो साइज बड़ी नहीं होती, इसलिए दे कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट लार्ज फ्रेगमेंट्स टू डुप्लीकेट. इट मीन्स लेस यूजफुल फॉर क्लोनिंग लार्ज डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स. इसमें जो यूजफुल होता है क्लोनिंग के लिए जो होता है वो लार्ज डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट नहीं होता, वो होता है स्मॉल डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स. Thank you so much. This is Amchi, PS4 students, student 2K17, board roll number 16, submitted to Sir Dr. Aziz Ahmed Ujjan. Thank you so much.